Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Before I start the video, I do want to say please like, subscribe, and comment. If you want to join the Patreon, you can join at patreon.com/but I'm not a trader. I do want to start off this video just by I'll remove these for now, but what I wanted to do to make things a little bit easier for you guys is just focus on what ranges we're really looking for today, what to break, right? So we'll start off with right there. That's going to be your first range, or your first support. Right, second support or second resistance is going to be up here, right there at 456, and then you have resistance right there, actually, right there. So for the big levels right now, you are looking at 455, 456, and 453, right? And 453 is a very big weekly support. So if that breaks to the low side, there's a really good chance you're gonna go all the way lower, right? And I'm actually looking for a break 4-5-11-81 and a close under that by Friday. And if we close at any point under 4-5-11-81 by this Friday, that is almost a guaranteed confirmation that we're gonna drop all the way down to the next weekly level, right? Which would be 446, right? And that would be for next week. But for now, I am pretty bullish going into today's session, just because you are gonna be closing a 4-hour bull trigger in about 5 minutes. And the last time we did that, right, you obviously have been extremely bullish when that happened. So the last time was here, November 10th. Obviously, you closed it bullish, and then you kept running from 436 all the way up to 441. So about a $5 to $7 run in about, in just one day, really, right? So you started this run at 2 in the morning. This closed at around 10 in the morning, I think 10, 11, 12, 1. So 2 in the afternoon, right? You basically ran from 435 to 441 the full day. So that's about a $6 run. I don't know if it'll make $6 today, right? But this, again, closing it at 2 by 10 o'clock, this could definitely push towards 454. If any of this breaks, right? If you break 456 at any point, there's a really good chance we're going straight to 460, right? But this is already a big resistance for SPX500. So I would definitely already right now, just based off of shorter time frames, and because you have so many wicks there, I would definitely look into shorting this level down to back to this weekly, right? So I take the short here, easy short. Right there, down to about that level, and then there we go. And then my stops would be up there, and if you break that 456 right up here, I'd long this all the way to 460. So very, very easy ranges today. Today I definitely see this because you are on that 2-day, right? My bias is definitely bearish overall, because you did close, or you are going to be closing. You're going to be opening today. Or actually, sorry, you're going to be opening on Tuesday tomorrow. So today's actually going to be your 2-day bear close, and tomorrow you actually open up a fresh candle with confirmation, right? But for right now, because the 4 hour is bullish, I'm definitely more bullish towards the upside. But I would take this short down to 453 all day long, just because the setup is there, right? And if you break 456, I'm pretty sure there's a really good chance you go to like 460. So if you break this level of 456 and you actually get a candle closure up here, you take the long. If right here, it's already a perfect short, right? So right now, obviously do whatever you want, but this is a perfect short right here with stops at like 4558. The perfect short down to 453, down that range. And it seems like you are trying to go a little bit lower, but we'll see how the day ends. I do want this 4 hour to cancel. Right, this 4 hour bull candle, I do want it to cancel, but we'll see how it goes. But again, this looks like a very, very, very easy short down to 453. So we'll go from there. So I'll see you guys later. Have a great day. Bye bye.